Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech IT. There has been no shortage of leaks around the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Each day more and more rumors are being published on different platforms regarding Samsung Galaxy Note 10. But today we got something for you guys. The high resolution renders for Samsung Galaxy Note 10 images appears online, which will likely be used in press material on the Samsung Galaxy website and in other promotional materials. These images are courtesy of tipster Roland Quant at WinFuture and Ishan Agarwal. According to these leaks, it looks like Samsung will only launch two color schemes for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The standard issue black and a gradient blue-purple finish that looks very similar to Huawei P30 Pro. The leaks seem to confirm a number of previous rumors, one of which is Samsung will bring the triple camera from Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus to the back of Note 10, which will also benefit from a bigger screen because of the Infinity O screen design. The Bixby button seems to be gone, or to be more specific, the traditional Samsung power button on the right side is nowhere to be found. On the left side, there are volume buttons as usual and another key under it. As you can see, there is no fingerprint scanner on the back, and that's because it's under the display, which seems to confirm that the Galaxy Note 10 will offer an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor like the Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. Famous Samsung tipster Ice Universe delivers a new tweet saying that the S Pen prevented Samsung from making several improvements to the Galaxy Note phones, improvements that fans would have certainly appreciated. According to Ice Universe, the Note could have had an extra 800 mAh battery, more aggressive cameras and a narrower bezel if they would have abandoned the S Pen. But removing the S Pen from the Note series is not an easy task for Samsung, because that's the feature that makes the Galaxy Note a very unique product with its own loyal fanbase. Without it, the Note 10 would be a simply redesigned Samsung Galaxy S10 version, which is not a very good business decision for Samsung. By the way, the S Pen isn't just for note taking and drawing. It does a lot of other things. For example, it can take pictures, it can be used as a remote for controlling presentations. You could launch apps with it and much more. So for the S Pen, if they need to sacrifice some battery capacity, then I would happily let them do it. The S Pen is what defines the Galaxy Note, and I cannot imagine the Galaxy Note without this little piece of hardware. Let me know what do you think about this down in the comment section. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more awesome contents.